peoples, folks, and space aliens. Where the hell am I? Wow, this is sweet. I like it. Ooh, yeah. I'm at Lake Emo, and I figured, well, I'm gonna have to buy this place. It'd be a shame to not go back here and enjoy what's here. So here I am. Very tired, actually, but I think they did a refresher on some of the trail here, so yeah, there was like a jump back there I should try to get. I don't think it was there before. It was kind of a tabletop, but then they had like a step down and like a false step down, and then like a regular step down or step up or step across. It is weird, but I can do this blue thing twice. That wouldn't be a big deal. Yeah, log ends are overgrown. Coming to the Black Junction. Okay. Interesting. This is one of my favorite black loops because it's easy. And the stuff that's on here, you can have a skinny. Look at that. I'm not gonna do it, but okay, that's new to me, at least. I like skinnies when they're not at the top of a little hill, or any hill. Okay, so the tabletops I did are way over toward the end. Oh, it is unbelievably dry considering I never got, but it does look like they've changed a few things here now. Yeah, there's a lip right there. Okay, but I got that other one. Oh, they got a little gap. That actually looks like it would be doable. Okay, so yeah, they definitely have changed a few things here. I might have to do this again 2 times. But we'll see. I'm thinking about coming back. Okay, feature ahead. Oh, is this the rock drop? Okay, easy rock drop. Wasn't quite ready for it. Okay. Yeah, that stuff's still there. Okay. Like I said, I'm just checking it out. There's a gap up here that's like treacherous. Daylight, last call. I think these people are trying to do some features. Oh. Oh yeah, this is the gap jump. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sending this. Oh boy. But there's a table right after it that I should be able to get. But I may have gotten that one. I don't remember now. They got like a bunch of gap features back here now. I'm not going to send any of them because I'm so tired. But it's good to know what's here. This is the one I messed up on. Oh, okay, that doesn't seem like it would be too bad. Oh my gosh. It's all gaps. Rolling gaps. There's a few tables back here. I don't know if I have enough energy to try and send any of this stuff. I'm way tired. This is, yeah, this, I want to like, did they take out the one jump? Or did I just miss it? Oh my gosh. I'm a little afraid to I'm a little afraid to do this one now. Oh yeah. Ho 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 ho. These are big jumps now. Okay, well that's why I'm like, wow. Yeah, they're all gap jumps now. Wow. And they said MORC would never build gap jumps. Oh no, we got gap jumps here. That's all right. I mean, I kind of want to send a lot of stuff, but I think a lot of the stuff should be easy, but I'm like fearful of everything here now, and I just don't know what's going to be around the corner. Well, it's good for me to come back here and know what's going on, because I sure as hell ain't going to do these in my sleep. Oh, that's a big step down. Like I said, a lot of these, I think you get the right amount of speed, yeah, they're easy. But, holy crap. Good speed. But, oh, are they planning to do something here? Interesting. Downhill jumps. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, wow. I just don't know what to expect here now. Actually, this looks like I could do it. I could do that, I think. And then this was a tabletop that I cleared. And then there's a drop. Yeah. Okay, so there's a drop. That doesn't look bad at all. And then a big wooden, holy buckets, that's huge. That's like a 20-foot jump. The only thing I want to actually try and do. Nope. I wasn't quite centered on that lip, but that's okay. A little sloppy. That's okay. Wow! Nope. I almost failed on that. Oh, I'm just getting too tired. I've been out all day and I can bypass this. And still clear this table. Nope. Not quite. Not quite enough speed. But that's okay. I really have to go back and look at my video because I don't think I just don't know anymore now. So this is the one I messed up on. Drop. Yeah, see, I can't get myself to do that. Okay. Then after that, you got a massive rolling gap. Okay. It would take me probably 3 or 4 times to get used to the speed. Whoa, that was a kicker. Okay. Nice step down into death. Oh! Okay. I'm not doing that one. I'm doing this one. Almost. Oh, and then it takes you right into these. That is a big gap jump. Wow. I nicked the edge of that one. This, nothing to be afraid of. Yeah, I need a little more speed. But it is what it is. I am not doing this. Nope. Whoa. I want to do that drop, but you could actually. Okay. Well, that's it for me here today. You munching? You heard that, didn't you? You heard the beep beep? Yep, you're on camera now. How close I can get before it runs off. I have to go this way. That's the way the trail goes. Boy, you're tame, aren't you? It's okay. I'm just gonna go by you. Wow! Look at him! Look at him! Goodbye. Oh, that'll be a good video.